Did you know artificial intelligence is managing over $1 trillion in assets right now? That's not a typo. Every time your bank flags a weird transaction, or your investment app suggests a portfolio change, there's likely an algorithm at work. AI is quietly reshaping how we interact with money, making sophisticated tools accessible to everyone, not just the ultra-rich. Humans are emotional with money. We panic sell, get greedy, and often make poor decisions. AI, on the other hand, operates on pure data and logic. It analyzes vast information to help you build wealth systematically. This isn't about replacing you, it's about giving you a tool to overcome your worst financial instincts. Navigating personal finance without the right tools is a recipe for frustration and missed opportunities. AI-powered platforms automate tedious tasks, provide insights, and help you stick to a long-term plan. The shift has already happened. The question is, how can you use AI to your advantage? By understanding these systems, you can move from passive user to active architect of your financial future. Put these algorithms to work for you, building wealth automatically, even while you sleep. So what is AI in personal finance? Forget Hollywood robots. Think of it as a super smart analyst. AI sifts through mountains of financial data, market trends, spending habits, economic reports in seconds. It turns messy data into actionable insights, automatically categorizing your spending and identifying trends. Are you spending more on takeout? Is your electricity bill creeping up? AI spots these patterns and alerts you. One of the biggest hurdles in managing money is emotion. AI helps create a buffer against emotional mistakes. Automated investing and saving systems take feelings out of the equation, enforcing discipline. But AI is a tool, not a magic wand. It needs human oversight and a strategy to guide it. You set the goals, saving for a home, retirement, or a dream vacation. The AI's job is to execute your strategy efficiently. It handles the how, so you can focus on the why. The real magic happens when human goals meet machine execution. You're still the CEO of your money. Investing used to be intimidating and expensive. AI has bulldozed those barriers. Robo-Advisors are automated platforms that build and manage your investment portfolio based on your goals and risk tolerance. They create diversified portfolios and constantly optimize your investments, rebalancing and even tax loss harvesting automatically. These small, automated adjustments can add up to significant returns over time. For hands-on investors, AI tools scan news, social media, and financial reports to identify opportunities and risks. AI can analyze a company's health and flag risks faster than any human. It's not about blindly following AI, but about having access to data-driven research. AI also acts as a watchdog, monitoring your portfolio 24/7 and alerting you to significant events. This isn't about reacting to every fluctuation, but about making informed decisions and staying on track. AI provides security and control, helping you reach your long-term goals. AI has transformed everyday banking, especially in fraud detection. Banks use AI to analyze your spending patterns in real time, flagging suspicious transactions instantly. This real-time detection saves consumers billions and acts as a silent security guard for your accounts. AI can spot subtle patterns, like small, unusual charges that might signal fraud. Beyond security, AI makes personal finance easier, automatically categorizing transactions and tracking expenses. With a few taps, you see exactly where your money goes, making conscious spending possible. AI-powered chatbots now handle common banking queries instantly, freeing up human agents for complex issues. The result? Faster, more efficient service and better control over your finances. Getting a loan used to be slow and biased. AI is changing that. Lenders now use AI to analyze a wide range of data, delivering decisions in minutes and offering fairer, more personalized loan terms. AI can reduce human bias and tailor offers to your unique financial profile. Personalization goes beyond loans. AI-powered apps now offer tailored financial advice, once reserved for the wealthy. These apps analyze your income, spending, and debts to provide actionable recommendations. AI can run simulations to show how small changes, like increasing retirement contributions, impact your future. By making long-term consequences tangible, AI empowers smarter choices. It connects your daily habits to your big-picture goals. As powerful as AI is, it has limitations. AI can't predict the future or black swan events, unexpected crises or innovations. Relying solely on AI without acknowledging uncertainty is a mistake. The quality of AI's output depends on the quality of its data. Garbage in, garbage out. If trained on biased or incomplete data, AI's recommendations can be flawed. AI also lacks common sense and context. It sees numbers, not life experiences. Only you know your values and what's worth spending on. AI is a co-pilot, not the pilot. You're still in command. The best strategy combines AI's power with human wisdom and oversight. Use AI to automate and analyze, but use your judgment to set the course. The human element is still the most critical part of any financial plan. AI in finance isn't coming someday. It's already here, in your bank and on your phone. From fraud alerts to Robo-Advisors, AI makes money management faster, safer, and more accessible. Embracing these tools isn't about being a tech expert, it's about being smart and efficient. Automated investing and budgeting apps give you clarity and control with minimal effort. The real promise of AI isn't instant riches. It's freeing you from tedious tasks and automating discipline. AI provides insights so you can make informed, conscious choices. By handling the mechanics, AI lets you focus on defining and achieving your rich life. Don't be intimidated. Be empowered. Learn how these tools work and let them do the heavy lifting. The future of personal finance is a partnership between human ambition and AI. The tools are here. It's time to use